Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you Hotel Oceania Charles de Gaulle, what it looks like and the tour of it. So this is the steam room, which is known as the hammam. Right, so that's the hammam, which is also known as the steam room. As you can see, lots of smoke comes from that corner. And that's a shower. My colleague inside. There's a mirror. Guys, this is the swimming pool area. As you can see, there's a gym there as well. The gym is pretty small, there's not much there. We got the lounge in the corner as well, with the outside section for sunbathing. And this is the main swimming pool, and it looks really nice and massive. And the jets aren't on at the moment, it's closed at the moment, so yeah. Alright guys, this is the elevator. This is level 2, this is where we're staying. There's 3 levels. Levels 1. That's the ground floor with the lobby. Ground 2 is where we live in. Ground 3, oh shit. How'd you open it? This one. So ground 2, we've got 201 rooms to 247. This is how far our room is. We're almost there, guys. Got the elevator there. And this is our room. Key card. Ready? Bam. Toilet. You don't get the air freshener, by the way. Got the safe. Got the stuff. Waiting for my colleague. There's hangers there, shelves, safe, bin. This is room tour. 2 beds, single beds. We got the shower there. Very nice. I'm a bit wet. I just come out of the swimming pool, which you saw before. So yeah, I'll show you the rest in a second. Not that much, no.
I was saying to do it from that corner, you can get the whole aspect of the hotel.
This is the fish tank. This is the main lobby. There's a swimming pool. Wow.
Follow me in so I've got that ring.
No, no, no.
Vous avez une chambre?
Pardon?
Vous avez une chambre?
Ufre zeytini.
Show them the stairs.
Eh?
The stairs.
Why? That's the lounge area. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.